The global AI landscape has rapidly evolved into an AI arms race. Secure, scalable, modular AI platforms designed to deliver state-of-the-art AI solutions with full traceability, governance, and security are the #1 priority. Introducing Astris AI, a Lockheed Martin company and its AI factory, an enterprise-grade AI born from mission-critical expertise. Tried, tested, and proven, Astris AI empowers enterprises to deploy the highest levels of security, compliance, and operational integrity. AI Factory streamlines access to machine learning operation tools, computing infrastructure, data and AI security to rapidly accelerate the development of AI solutions through automation and robust, repeatable pipelines. We accomplish this through 3 main pillars. Infrastructure operations enables AI Factory to run anywhere and provide scalable computing environments to train and deploy models for enhanced decision-making. Data operations allows engineers to manage complex data lifecycles, from dataset curation to labeling and version control. Machine learning operations empowers engineers to manage the models from creation to deployment and through sustainment. Built for defense, proven in action, now available to all. This is AI you can trust.